Good morning, my lovely students. Oh, I know you are happy at home and enjoying your videos as well as you are completing your works. I hope you have completed your worksheet and you have started with the notes. Okay, so let's start this video. In this video, we will be starting our fifth exercise. But hold on. First, we will have a quick revision of exercise 4. Remember the preceder and the successor? In preceder we used to deduct 1 and in successor we used to add 1. In previous exercise, that is in exercise 4, we have discussed preceder and successor, compare greater than, less than, equal to signs. We have also discussed about ascending and descending order. Remember? So this will be your Chapter 1, Part 11. This video will be your Part 11. Exercise 5. Date 17/7. Understood? In this video, we will have a quick recall on the exercise as well as we will solve the worksheet. Understood? We will discuss about worksheet. So let's start it. Firstly, open your textbook. Whenever you are watching mathematics video, you should be having the textbook as well as the notebook, or you can have a rough book. Understood? So if you want, you can write anything important which you feel. Understood? Open your textbook. Page number 19. Page number 19. Let's read the first question. Write the smallest and the greatest 4-digit number using each of the following digit only once. Remember, we have to frame the smallest and the greatest. 4-digit number using the following digit only at once. Understood? We have to use the digit only at once. हमें कुछ नंबर दिए गए हैं, जैसे कि in this we are going to solve the first one. जैसे कि हमें नंबर दिए गए 4297. हमें ये 4 डिजिट्स दिए गए हैं. हमें इन 4 डिजिट्स को रीअरेंज कर we have to make smallest and greatest number. Understood? The condition is we have to use only once. हम एक बार जो नंबर यूज कर लिया उसे दूसरी बार नंबर रिपीट नहीं कर सकते. Okay? So let's start it. Which color I should use? Blue, purple, pink, red. Okay. See, smallest. जब भी आपसे smallest पूछे, तो what you will do? You will arrange the digits in descending order. Understood? जब भी smallest पूछे तो आप क्या करोगे? जो भी नंबर है आप उसको ascending order में arrange कर दोगे. जब भी आपसे greatest पूछे, what you will do? You will arrange the digits in descending order. Understood? Have a look. अब मुझे इसके अंदर smallest पूछा है, so मैं क्या करूँगी? इन सब में से छोटा कौन है? Yes, 2, then 4, 7, 9. So ये बन गया मेरा smallest. Understood? Now, अभी मुझे इसी नंबर्स को यूज करके I have to frame the greatest. So what I will be doing? Yes, I will arrange these numbers in descending order. So which is one? The first will come 9, 7, 4, 2. Understood? The smallest number is 2479 and the greatest number is 9742. Okay, so let's move to our second question. Okay, now we solved A1, now we will solve B1 of same question number 1. Question number 1 का B solve करेंगे हम. Understood? In this also, smallest होगा तो I will arrange it descending order, greatest then I will arrange it descending order. Okay, see, but remember, अगर see in this which is the smallest one? 0. Okay, 0, 1, 3, 7. What do you think? It is smaller number of 4 digit or 3 digit? Yes, remember You have to remember this point, it is very important. Focus everyone. जब भी हम जीरो पहले लिखते हैं तो अल्टीमेटली जीरो नहीं होता. मुझे 4 डिजिट नंबर मांगा है, अगर मैं पहले जीरो लिखती हूँ तो इट विल नॉट बी काउंटेड, सो द नंबर विल बी 137, बट इट इज रॉन्ग. मुझे तो 4 डिजिट नंबर बनाना है. सो व्हाट आई विल बी डूइंग इज दैट मैं सबसे पहले 1 लिखूंगी जो छोटा है, उसके बाद मैं जीरो ऐड करूंगी, तब जाकर ये 4 डिजिट बनेगा. अगर मैं 0137 लिखती हूँ तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, ये 4 डिजिट बनेगा? नहीं, बिकॉज आगे 4 है, 4 विल नॉट बी काउंटेड. अंडरस्टूड? देन इट विल बी रेटेड आउट एज 137. तो ये तो 3 डिजिट बन गया. तो सो जब भी wherever क्वेश्चन में जीरो हो तो व्हाट वी विल डू कि जीरो को हम सेकेंड प्लेस ही देंगे हमेशा. दिस विल बी माय फर्स्ट प्लेस, दिस विल बी माय सेकेंड प्लेस इन स्मॉलर. अंडरस्टूड? ओके, remember this point, I will ask you many times. Okay, so let's move to the greater one. In greater one we will arrange in descending order. So which number is bigger among the group? Yes, 7 3 1 0. Understood? Remember, you will remember this. How we will pronounce this? 7310. Okay, so let's move to the question 2. Hold your textbook, read the question. Write the smallest and the greatest 5-digit number using each of the following digit. Focus. Repeating 4 twice. मुझे क्वेश्चन में क्लियर इंस्ट्रक्शन दिए गए हैं कि मुझे 4 को 2 बार यूज करना है. Twice means I have to use the 4 2 times. Understood? So let's start this. मेरे पास नंबर कौन कौन से हैं? 3 4 0 8. मुझे 4 2 बार यूज करना है, तभी जाके मेरा 5 डिजिट नंबर फ्रेम होगा. ओके, so let's do it. Remember in previous we discussed when it is 0 in the question, what we will do? We will give that number second position. So what will be my answer? 3 0. मुझे 4 2 बार यूज करना है, so I will write 4 4 8. Okay, understood? Now it comes to the greater. इन सब में से greater कौन सा है? Yes, 8. फिर 8 से थोड़ा छोटा 4, but the condition was कि 4 I have to use twice. Twice मतलब 2 बार. Okay, now 3 0. Understood? You observed one thing कि smallest में we write that in order, but greater में किसी का उल्टा लिखते हैं, 8 4 4 3 0 और 3 0. Understood? Okay. जब भी माइनर चेंजेस जहाँ पे 0 आगे there will be a minor changes. Understood? Okay. So let's move to the third question. Next question. Okay, we will be solving the C1 of question number 2. First, हम smallest find करते हैं. The condition was I have to write 4 twice. So what will be the answer? 3 4 4 5 9. In greatest 9 5 4 4 3. देखा आपने, जब इसके अंदर 0 नहीं था तो स्मॉलेस्ट गया डायरेक्ट और मैंने ग्रेटेस्ट को उसी का उल्टा कर दिया. समझ में आया? बाकी पिछले वाले के अंदर 0 था तो मैंने क्या किया था, लास्ट के 2 नंबर में चेंजेस हुए थे. रिमेंबर? समझ में आ रहा है? जब भी 0 होगा तो लास्ट के 2 नंबर में चेंजेस आएंगे. जब भी 0 नहीं होगा तो जैसे स्मॉलेस्ट था उसका मैं उल्टा ग्रेटेस्ट लिख दूंगी. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? ओके, so let's move to the other question number Question number 3 is similar. You can do after solving question number 4. We will discuss question number 4 and the remaining question number 3 and 5 you will solve it. Okay, let's read the question number 4. Form the greatest 6-digit number using the digits 7, 8, 9, 3 and 5. Repeating 8 twice. मुझे 5 नंबर दिए हैं, उनकी हेल्प से मुझे 6 डिजिट वाला नंबर फ्रेम करना है. ओके, बट द कंडीशन इज मैम विल राइट 8 twice because it is given in the question. So let's start it. Greatest. Which number is greater? 9. Okay, 9. Now it will come 8, but the condition was 8 will be written twice. So I will write 8, then 7, 5, 3. 9,88,753. Understood? For example, if you ask the smallest, then it is not given in question, but I am asking. Then what will be your answer? इसी का reverse. 3, 5, 7, 8, 8, 9. इसी का ही reverse. Understood? So here we complete our exercise 5th and we will have a quick view on the worksheet. So here is your worksheet. This will be your worksheet 5th based on the exercise 5th. Write the smallest and the greatest 4-digit number using each of the following digit only at once. I have highlighted कि आपको सिर्फ एक डिजिट सिर्फ एक ही बार यूज करना है. You have to fill the smallest as well as greatest number. Understood? Your second question will be form the smallest and the greatest 6-digit number using the digits 1, 3, 0, 4, 7 and 6 each only at once. आपको 6 डिजिट नंबर फ्रेम करना है, बट सिर्फ एक नंबर एक ही बार, only at once. Form the smallest and greatest, both is given, smallest and greatest 5-digit number using the digits 7, 8, 9 and 3. Repeating 8 twice. Understood? Now you have to solve this worksheet in your fair books. You can copy this type of worksheet at the end of the book, पीछे side. See, this is your book. Assume this is your fair book. ठीक है? आगे आप सारी exercises लिखोगे और बुक के लास्ट पेज में 4-5 पेजेस छोड़कर you will start solving from here the worksheets. Understood? So आपका chapter और worksheet mix ना हो जाए, you can have a clear look on the worksheets and you can have a clear look on the chapter. You will divide your book in 2 parts. पीछे के सिर्फ 6 या 7 पेजेस ही छोड़ोगे आप वर्कशीट्स के लिए. आगे you will solve the exercise and at the back side you will put the heading chapter 1 worksheet 5 exercise 5. Understood? You will mention the name of exercise and the worksheet number as well. Okay, that's all for today. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes the man perfect. You need to do more and more practice related to maths. So, bye. Stay at home. God